and we came for redundancy last year. So our package that was given to us was invested with EL Real Estate and Tikori. The program was every 3 months our investment will be paid for, the dividend will be paid. So for the Tikori, the first one was paid, second one was paid. So the early of this year, and then the man came out that he's going to stop because of the problem that the financial system is in this country. The man said he's going to stop. So he's going to pay everybody with his principal and anything that he's won. So he gave us our 60 days, which is from February to end of January to February.
Which company did you invest in?
We invested for EL Real Estate.
EL
Real Estate.
Owned by who?
Owned by Zoe, Pastor Kevin Olsen Gorson, the owner of Zoe Church Outreach.
Okay.
Yeah. So we waited to the February. So on the 1st of March, I was there and asked them about the money. They said no, they couldn't make the target. So they'll pay us within the month. We waited from the March to the month, couldn't pay anything for us. He scheduled a date for the month, but I couldn't pay. So I came here on the May, and the man said we should give him 4 days. He would do everything possible to pay us the money. The May also ended. He couldn't even pay us. Now we are in. Since last month, we began to track the man. The man is not coming to his work site. He has stopped coming to his office. And we came to the church too. He's not been coming to the church. And today, most of us from Takwa, we came here. Come and see either we will talk to the man. The man should come out, come and tell us what is happening, because he said the government have blocked the system. He cannot retrieve the money from the outside. He has waited, he got a Swift code, that the Swift code have to give the money, but still, the money is not yet in. They are just giving us updating, posting. They are just giving us updates. Next week they will pay. Every week they will give us the week, give us up to Wednesday. Wednesday they will say Friday. Friday they will say Wednesday. Up to now, the money has been paid. But we don't know if it is government that have blocked the money. Have to release the money.
So how much did you invest?
I invested Tikori. I invested 50,000, and then the EL Real Estate I invested 30,000. And my colleague here, he also invested.
No, we'll speak to him.
Okay. He also invested 50,000 with the Tikori, and he also invested another 20,000.
So these two companies are owned by
the same person. That's the real estate. We never knew that the EL Real Estate belongs to the man. We thought that the Tikori that belongs to the man. So later that we invested in the EL, that everything belongs to. No, the two companies all belong to them. And it's not only these two companies that the man is having. He's having like about EL Gold and DFS and those kind of companies. So it's not we alone.
How long have you been chasing him?
We have been chasing money since last year, October.
And what assurances have you given to?
Well, there's not any much assurance, but what he's been given us is that just the week, after a week, you give us the month, and the month, and he's waiting for the money has been blocked, and we have to know the system that we are in now. The government have blocked the system. They cannot retrieve any huge amount of money from outside, so the money has blocked, so we have to wait for him to work out. Then previously, he let us know that when we come to the public, the government will come in and our money will lock. That is the reason why we have stayed outdoor up to now, because most of that are afraid that the money will lock, like how the men's gold money was locked. That is the reason that we have not come out, because the man was putting some threat on us, because we don't want our money to lock. He warned us that if we want our money to lock, and then we have to report it to the police. And he will come in and he will turn it to the legal, and then the money will be locked, because the legal will tell them that, Master, this is the situation. So that is the whole show.
I don't want 6.3 yakwaya ya say about him asechua awen the power hasan so enna edukumi bema onu so abedru
edukumi oba
bravo you yes we oba
enu ahwe kotoko ne has ni bi me fina na ene dem enu awtumi hwe bo ni bi kama pa
me na me tese
bon na chini na pasa o kan na se
da bi bon ankasa on ye fa agronto nche
na me drive
o hwe bon na on park ne so aye fe o ma ya de ye be bo ma baso na camera quality na am say ato sini kakra esan so her park ne so fe no
na mo camera so di twa ball
oh anya hwe ko mu twa me hwe
da bi uni bi
o mu twa me hwe
mo ye da mo ye di twa fa ba wo so ya bi na mo di twa ball no
samum
camera say di twa wedding ya bia ene yi ase ana mo di twa ball okruma
because o hwa sadia park ne so fe no sanka ye nya some quality
ana me say camera say mo di twa yi di party si
tie betimi atobi
any birthday parties
priority
una hwanento
na hwan na woso to de woso to
sika ye de beba se emfanton de betimi ayi na to say ye beto sa quality no eno ne asem no
hwe oh
your problem
one short once na short one say the try short videos for studio yi and na bi da kwabra ne ko ho no the tripod the siso no the trouble oh don't on now
yes mo aha afi yamra match no de isi ekire no me hu sa na ne Eric me te sa na ne no na ubisa questions bi ni ade e fa brand ne de bonus say bansere say ye belt say den but ye nyem kwada sa
e ya bom
with me kan cherem so aboguchi belt na de akogina park so de kwa akobobo ade wa adwene nye
e bi o sisi yade o se sisi yade wa belt
na wa no ya so chance
na wa hu ba
ko ne de ni de ni so
ba ko ono de kwa de ebo ni film say ebo no fo ase
enu ne mfia ne ya
o
edro
na ne fa ne sa na de yi die
edro wo because say sisi yade na kotodwe yade
we mu nyina awrade ya Adom no akodru Black Stars o ya malam no nam
ntine say Afcon no mama one player one plane embe drop and you want to so akoro you have no idea one player one plane I don't know do intimate
asemo kan ke se nyeye
na message commentators no enra na me monitor TV opoku kresi poku adan sana ya mo ponko mo ya na ya mo ponko sa
e abrofo de na se twidie no
debi de tie bia ye Ghana
onti de me chona se commentary na brofo anatwi
na bi ba brofo won't say
oh me can semba because me it's a trend bi any say kan ya mo ponko dey Mr Ponko the one am of adwaye your friend Ponko o be so broflize no
adai Ponko adai po me na me dwa dodo sremo metie multimedia commentary no na me ti so nkofo me se din na monti bi da anansa mo ahye da sam be broflize no
Esuatra
yesre amumudi no ye
edu komenko
na ai asori for no say de omkoko apai
omso msika
say Bible say oyonko he obone afache no prenson ne mo ho aduosonson
enye sika akodi baby
na no nka mo bi
ye ntwen na ye sika sam no de ya na ba yenya omo yenya asori no
asem we ye hu ye say boboba
oh sa
empanfo wa asem bi omo ka se asem bi ani ho ane maame ewo ne ba asem bia ne ba ene wo ne maame e sha se eketwa bi wantimi anso anu na anyini e sha se mka sa Adom kase bo ye ka ho asem ani ye hwani musa campaign fo betu ho anamo o ha na we afre o ha na we afre ene se hu sunsu aso ba bia beduru ni eti ba bia beduru no panyifo anka ho asem e be sa anyini eti on pese anyini dia omoma ni nyini omo pese be nyini de omo ntuom sika ma omo na asem fa na asem ko esanse de yefunu agya na men ye fa Herald Obokrata enfan hyase na Herald Obokrata no se we de ya chodi kro wase na nado wona na ban se de ya chi omo pa so omo hyeda pese opanyino fuso mpofo wo mugu nanimu ase na so nya de e betentam esanse mukro ya mo se e babo ne fosama eni kwase de amanyosem buruburam mukro ya mukwache nkrofo so amoso ya ndisi nti hwan na de amanyosem ne ba we Herald Obokrata e ho nsema wode aba na ha no say parliament resides over naked slavery as unpaid MPs research assistants threaten the mu iti ho nsema ha yeso kopie mo membrashe bedwafia na na research assistants o membrashe bedwafo koba se keke kwatse samampo mwawa shan ubie ma awro nko akom na eku o mtom so be demonstration ense bika we hu ene the Obokrata friends Herald onsaka obenya bi
nyanya ho ana abrante bi kofo so be hye no ho akomfo
abrante ne de say out of frustration out of
yedidi agro ho hwe obi kwatwe tuo mahama so asore dem politics nti yes abante na adwenye ye downplay sa issue no ne ye no troka ne ye jato ho na nado leading opposition member ogina stage so okuma na bugum
eno so yedidi agro say ye campaign yedidi agro ne bugum na nado ejina car so ye campaign ni atobo politics intini de agro to an extent say abrante ye timi afa gallery hosa some friends a plenary say he was then you wa fra kwatna stro hosa obehye no ho akomfo and babia na otene so yes na office speaker direct
enti
ye fan sense kan bibi na nkopese ode ye na
that's right eti na ya say a frustration and also your father try
yes also a hustler oko Nigeria ko bobra nyi
okay
into oba ba hwe ne MP no ahwese mo bi ho bitimi de aboa na
ya de niam di agro krum ha o
na ye security wo Ghana ha mpo de me ankasa ma yesa me wa adwuma kese bi pa mpesa me ye judges ye magistrates ye wo ye courts me gidi so mo security na wo se emu ye din ye me wo court accused person ejina ko edidi Jaja Tamna so wo sha said me bisa mo say okurade onyo hia ofri prison neba
mama ncha de bisa
enti se bibisha ne ho a obetimi edi ni bone
basa ukokota yen check
justice amuyate no okuma se minim baby wo sese amuyate ye oko some transfer ni fee minim oko central region ho na urban obesi kate ye robe no.
Can you imagine
the same judge na accused person kutabo ewo court inside the session bottom na wato
ya de bibia di agro
ya de bibia di agro wo kan ponata say see ya chewo
I check was before some ba
na me hu bi say enti ni pay a o ye ne hu say sankade hye ne ho a sanka papa nka wakuno onko obekuno
I say ube wura court na say
yetimi phone cry say ye numu no cry bi
numu no fe no adutwum menim so wotini dia tama na court ye nduam
ewo adum ho no
ewo adum ho no court rise judge no mo ina sorry ko de hu ya ne say obi fufuraba omukuta pick up omo be park omo hyesa overall jumper CB omba ya no mbetam judge na kodwa no clerks ne te ho bi anka hwe police din so court room ho na ba kwa betam judge na kodwa no no mo de akosi pick up nim no ma fa screwdrivers ni ade air conditioner obo ho no na ba kwa tu no no mo de no so akosi
mekai bibisa mekai
na fan na esi wo no so omo atam na omo ede ko eniaman kaka computers na wonom so on person omo de ye omo se omo kosiesie no mo se sa kwat won yamani na judge na ba na kodwa ni so
yeah
na judge o di asanwe e obi ade na ba accused person so akobokro no na Natalia ayira hye no Nana mami fa wemra so ene fa Daily Graphic Democrat ane fa toso adrokron mienu page 92 aseme hu hia pa wo Afcon ho ewo ho me pa cho ba bia wo ko bia bomode wudu stand bia ko pebi ne kan de o ho ne media houses wo Ghana ha ye nyina yesempa ene say we ye public notice ye Afcon Radio Rights Multimedia Group Limited ena ya J rights radio commentary a ebe free Afcon tournament na se no ye de bebre Ghana for France for total Ghana for total African Cup of Nations 2019 Multimedia Group Limited ene wotumi ese ode befa radio so ama Ghana for ate ya e free June de toso aduonu ba kokosi July de toso edunkron na esa kakuma bi na bosome ba ko entem agokansi ebekoso ewo Egypt faro krom no Multimedia Group Limited yepe ene edi commentary no beba enti ye nuanom Hit FM a wo mo no anije no mo je o mbeje ya for commentary ni bi asempa de wonim says na so dada Adom Joy Love Insure yen ene wotumi sa yetimi broadcast ema obi atibi nti so ye media organization na won kan ye ho na wia bi ne e chewa ye ye de anu doba tonti
mame kwa ahoma no so na fe me ne Isabella Gidiglo our Shahils I want to railway workers ni bi ye demonstration Isabella, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
And then I cross to Shah Hills.
Yo, I'm passing on Shah Hills. Say, Shah Hills Afcon Construction Limited. Afcon Construction Limited. The almost in Pankada railway line. No, first, no, you're from Mutamatu, Akosombo line, but the Tamatu Pankada railway line. If you might phone the PM who has said, they 5:30 to 6. No matter. Amoya, or your travel chapter and 24 and show me. Amuni railway minister kasa omu hushe so omu atra mama kaka obia ensiamu ava sanne kaya de adwuma na outsourcing company no so ensure butie na mu tracing sector and 24 ko mu angu na kasa omu mati from Shahel can we say to Jubilee House omu segna na kasa omu atem actually ejan kasa de ne masemi
pacho your friend Bernard the data operator ewo Afcons the agent Joe Kodam the lieutenant on the bar and the friend James Ofon director, the patrol, my year is for 1 year. Yeah, my year is for 1 year. Me want evidence to be here. Those that operate our company. Recently, almost 22 working days out of 27 working days. And your baby says, Adenti, Yajuma with Sunday, you know, never phone a day. Over those are for caterpillar, so a day would daily must hire 30 cities. After those operator, yes, yeah, tomorrow. The coca and Omoka say, almost Omukuta contract, more power. It is a pa, yes, a pa, yes. And the human at the end of the project, yeah, workers, yeah, Juma, or my Lisica, the best Yacano, the best Yaka. It is a baby news before at CTA. I Juma in this way. Dana and Papa so. Yeah, almost backing for ministry. Now, ministers, no, and any mobile. Ministers, any mobile. They got in and any mobile. They are coming to Mr. Gombo, Chief CEO of Ghana Railway Development Authority. I can't say my any member. I am victim, my any member. Oh, meeting nothing. Yeah, no, okay, and I buy no. I'm not a Danny Asamno. I'm a executive to the piano. I'm a lady. I'm executive lady. I'm not here, driver, 30 years to say, you know, I'm one. Yeah, marching up to Jubilee House. Yeah, marching from her up to Jubilee House. And no, I told them. Me labor our accounts. Yeah, I can say third party fight me na our accounts. Yeah, inform of you. Among your monko, Omodi and Bidoki service. Just limited, unique. Yeah, inform of you. Open consult. And I just plus. Omoya. And then I can. Inform of you. And then I can.
It's a captain. Hello, Captain.
Isabella, me was so.
It's in the night. I actually got to our consensus.
But beside no mammy saw so much more drivers in Libya Kotum. They ain't no more drivers, and they went to me and trim. Isabella line no etete esisi yensaka abaya ba ko yesi ya man birthday wish na on ko school abina brewu bafo o papa ne Sergeant Bafo Ghana Armed Forces happy birthday abina happy birthday ko school mama why ko school ma offer me twen ko school
Nanam say brene ya ye be na.
Aye krampo wi.
My famom tewu. Chronicle the Bokrata wa ha. what the papa be a me hu no ameka so we de nani afi menim so say abrabobone na amo wayes adia and was say Nigeria for na komo hu abia wo sanka kwada wadi mfinhia nan anka wo che no wo fa ne domum sasem ye no kresa nye no kren kokoto ma ye die sa na yate no wo se be se nafu anum achi a ye koje Ghana for Canada for bia na ya kire wo mu domum no ye se Nigeria for bi nso so ebo wo mu tiri mu po sanka akwada wadi mfinhia nan ye kire ne domum ewo mamma obi polyclinic one kind krom abonten so eya Ibrahim Azma wono ena kwasi ada nopa nipa bi ehu no ebu odede eme kokotin no a ye gi akwada wadi mfinhia nan no efri ne nsem abra no watika mu a na wakrokra akwada na senka edisi makete nkode akwada no wura mu a na wobi nim bebi a na nkode akwada no ko na eno eho sam ede de bokrata yi ede abase ase kidnapping no adoso na MPP ni NDC yes wo mu dwane efri kidnapper ho na ani wusam ba ko ayeka wogana ha no binie on say ya chire kidnapper na no so ya de amanwasam kwa wuram we so ya NDC for so ya MPP ni na MPP for so ya NDC
enti so o ya MPP ni ana o ya NDC ni a epepa ne bone na na say mpepa bone ne dia yemfa MPP NDC sam ne to nchane kan asem no
Friday ai competition bi suma na ko di bone a wa sama say Dominic Niti will Friday no ka sem bi say ade a tan na ye hi kra ne say obi adi bone ye ka bone na wadi no was o ye NDC ni enti na motan ye ni say opposition MPP for so na wo opposition a o ye MPP ni enti na motan ye ni say ye wo opposition enti ye desa
omo aba mu so na nipa ne di bone ne ye chene pe na bra ya bra ne campaign ya ansa na mo ba aba mu na afi wetre sam
ya na no ya be o radio so obedi obi atem sa na no obeka so no akro mo yinama e na asamba na ahimachene mo tutuntum aguso na mo de na mo twa me fie kwan ma asamba ya de asamba ya udifo na wani asene ko no kokwaji watemu a wo pesa party nko onya den
asemu
eno on ye nya drama parties political parties your affiliations no your cherish shine belonging to the country and to pass see am obi ntese obi aye bibi oh yes foreigners biaba wo mo ye retailing egu ni nu adwuma o but on ne bekwa akodidwa bekwa akoto afri no ho na so ne political party ma onte se obi ye bibi etia party no na hwe ahomkeka no odo ne tema wode bekwa akokon ama party no enti ye do ye political affiliations na
ese oman no ni ho party be ni
party no wo he
sa Nigeria for asem no ase didi ago enra ho ye fi Cape Coast na ye ba no na ba ku su Toyota ese Camry na ba ku bi no I think Camry latest one bi wa bonnet tinted ama a chire glass do tinted tumu
na za kan ba bia yutum
na we twa ba bi ketwa bi a mirror na driving mirror na wo inside na timi hwa ma ne hu na chi and on the side ni nyina so tum no we twa ba bi ketwa bi ma side mirrors no watimi nya ba bi ahwe and a car na nkasa windscreen na nkasa no wa blacking anim esoro no ba form kakra nti be wuti beduru na obehunu na ena wo ho na police fo bi wo Malam Junction ho it's now omu jenjina cars nyame nkwa ko de nyamposi ne no esanso ye Lagos number ne ye Lagos number
wa kokoduro
wa hu o ma na
hu o mu la
wow ya tena se on ye de ina Ghana de ye wa abadaye saa manipa bi afa ye se nwa
ye wa abadaye
na yanka ne sen yes Ghanaian hospitality
say ya na course ma South Africa mebru no sorry ye no ekofa asem South Africa no na ya kure sanso tena Africa aka say adentina bi before tete bi before na mama ba no abetwe sika o so asem mama ba no ntimi hwe odi na fasika no wo meyam
Sakana na Nigeria ECOWAS esi na so kwa me nkroma na de ECOWAS ba enti na ECOWAS e de bi ECOWAS protocol ene ECOWAS
sa protocol kru ya ukoto gukra na Cote d'Ivoire ubetimi ananti Cote d'Ivoire bra oni quarantine untimi na de na Ghana de obi atimi ba ha ye de ope ye kan
na wa card na we ye na say friend Ghana card na ye ka cho say ye ECOWAS card
me ba ye kan efri ase he adehman e de kwa de kosi poku ase ye won kwada omonam esrese ska traffic mu wo monye Ghana de hye panyini bia yi na ni tise de ohun ye twen ma asema abansa ni akoka never again sabrofo na Wow, you the normal dear grodo. Yet be beer dear go, yet be beer manusem, and no minor pronet, and a mabuna frustrated nominal system. And I say we are gonna need the share. Nasa uwe school, Nasa Radianya wadum, amwanya baby and sia, and one on one bassa. Yeni policy bia e guide yeni bibia e boa state nankasa ni kwan bia ye faso ne de akere mabunu no babiom do mani be che betumi aboama wo brana koye e na mabunu frustrated no dem tramo.
Say yes, nipa 2000 and as in krata a petition parliament. A fatakrade nkwada mayiwa na yiwa besi sabre ya ye hu mo no. Na me pacho parliament 2001. Meka hu na ma hu mo anka mi san bi. Enti 2001.
Na ne 2002 ayiwa 2003 me. Kwado o kan 2004.
Mo kwasan ye no. That's almost 5000.
Yeah, what 2000 our paper na chi. Say ne ye 1 million kwa plus 1. Sansa ma hu ensan bi. Meka hu bi.
Me sign for.
There you want me sign for.
And some bush me fear for you now. Many many back in me no nyina. Obi be sign bi.
Odi ani over voting.
Obi be sign bi.
Na sana ya be kono.
Sorry.
Enura na ye gya no mu da. Ya papa no mu a etie.
Fa bo so tamaso.
Edrobo man hene.
Father's Day na happy Father's Day. Ya ba isi.
Don't come here.